Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening TikTok and making sure the app can access your camera and photos. This is necessary so you can import images. Once done, tap the plus button and pick Photo or Upload, then select single images or multiple files for a slideshow. Make sure you choose the right aspect ratio, 9:16 for full screen vertical or 1:1 for square, because that determines cropping and how your images display to viewers. Now you refine the visuals. Arrange the photo order and set each slide's duration. Shorter clips feel punchier, longer ones give breathing room. Use TikTok's filters, stickers, and text overlays to add context. Adjust placement and font so nothing is cut off. If you want motion, use templates or the green screen effect to change backgrounds and simulate movement. And make sure to sync transitions and durations to any chosen audio. Finish by writing a clear caption, adding relevant hashtags, tagging accounts, and selecting privacy, public, friends, or private, so you control who sees the photos. You can save the finished clip to drafts or download the video file to your device for backup. If something goes wrong, an upload error, missing images, or playback issues, make sure the app is up to date, confirm permissions, clear the app cache, and retry. Those steps fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.